Hi and welcome to another video of My Kid Life. Today I'm going to be baking a banana cake with my mum.
Hi!
Now the first thing we need to do is wash our hands, so make sure those hands are very clean.
Thanks for reminding me, Mimi. Today I'm going to be using my favourite thing to use ever to bake a cake in the kitchen, and that's the KitchenAid.
Don't you need to tell them what a KitchenAid is?
If you wanted to go away and measure the sugar or grease the baking tin, you can do, and it just carries on doing all the mixing for you. So what ingredients are we going to use, Mimi, for the cake?
Well, here we've got the milk. And of course we're going to need bananas.
Of course.
Flour.
Yeah.
And then we've got this one, which is sugar. Then we've got the eggs.
Oh, you like the eggs, why?
Because I get to crack them.
Yeah.
Now that looks like butter, but it's actually going to be melted
It
butter.
is. And do you know what this is?
Vinegar oil?
It's, well, nearly the right letter. It's vanilla essence extract. And then the next one, it's baking powder. We just need a teaspoon of that to help it rise. Right, so what we're going to start with, you mentioned the butter. What do we need to do with that?
Melt it.
Okay, so should we melt that now in the microwave?
Yes.
How many grams? It was 125 grams of butter.
Okay.
Just keep an eye on it because it will melt quite quickly.
Oh, I just forgot one thing. Before we do anything else, I need to get my apron. Oh, it's ready.
Careful. Right, let's pour it into the KitchenAid. Well done, Mimi. What do we need next, Mimi?
The sugar.
Yeah. What do we need next, Mimi?
The vanilla essence.
Well done. Right, if you hold the spoon, I'll pour it in.
Okay.
Ready?
The next thing is my favourite, the eggs.
What have we got to be careful of, Mimi?
Not getting the shell in the mixture.
You don't want any shell in the mixture.
Otherwise it will taste horrible.
So I'm trusting Mimi with the cracking the eggs because it is her favourite bit.
So we need 60 millilitres of milk.
We do. So what have we got left that's mushy and wet to put in?
The bananas. The next thing is the flour. How much flour do we need, Mummy?
190 grams of self-raising flour. Now we're going to wait for the KitchenAid to do its job.
Mixing!
All by itself.
It smells delicious. So what does the consistency need to be like then, Mummy?
The consistency needs to be runny and thick, so it's dropping off your spoon like that.
Time for me to lick the leftovers. Very yummy.
Nice. Enough bananas. Do you think Daddy will like it?
Yeah, he'll love it.
Do you think it'll be gone in a day?
An hour. So now we need to put it in the oven.
We do.
How long for, Mummy?
35 minutes.
And what temperature?
150 Celsius on a fan-assisted oven or 170.
Okay, so shall we do that?
Off we go.
Oh, and remember to put your oven gloves on. Okay.
Perfect. So what do you fancy for tea, Mimi?
Banana cake.
Of course. That's all for now. Thanks for letting me feature on My Kid Life.
It's a pleasure. Bye.
Bye. Mimi, dinner's ready. Would you like a slice?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Very yummy.
Don't forget to save some for Daddy.
Okay. But I'm having most of it.